To Speed Auto Care. Today's vehicle is a beautiful Cadillac Escalade. This one has 139,000 miles on it, hand-cooked tires, plenty of room with third row seating. Also does have the rear entertainment system. Very clean. Also has all your climate control here. You have controls right there in the rear. Interior's in really nice shape. Heated seats, of course. You have blind spot detection system and markers within the mirrors. Navigation, XM satellite radio. It's got really 138 on it, but it's almost there at 139. So adjustable pedals, just everything you could think of. Very easy to use, you know, just user friendly, and it's got a lot of pep too, by the way. You know, that's the other thing. Heated steering wheel. You could also fold the mirrors. Yeah, it's got it all. OnStar up on the top, moonroof. If you need more information, please feel free to give us a call down here in Freehold, New Jersey, and come and take a look at it at Speed Auto Care.